This is for sure, but...
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Plainfield, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Addison, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, Franklin Park, Hinsdale, Lamont, Burridge, Oak Brook, Westmont, Lisle, Darien, Villa Park, and Bentonville. Including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 270 and 276. Interstate 88 between mile markers 126 and 140. Interstate 290 between mile markers 10 and 15. Interstate 355 near mile marker 12, in between mile markers 15 and 27. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, Morton Arboretum, and North Central College. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois.